Now, 800 CHAB presents Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
I think it's safe to say we've all been caught off guard when it comes to September and October. All the little jobs you want to get done around the house, and then all of a sudden it snows, and then your leaves are there next spring, and the eaves troughs are still frozen with leaves. And man, we're getting the word out right now with Greg Marcyniuk from Heritage Insurance in downtown Moose Jaw. It's time to get the fall cleanup underway, sir.
That's right, Rob. And by doing it now while the weather is somewhat decent, it's going to be a lot less aggravation for you, and it can save you a lot of money in the long run in the event something does happen. So first thing that we want to do is you want to do a roof check. Now, you can actually do a visual inspection, and what I recommend is take a pair of binoculars out, take a look. If you can get up on a ladder or hire a professional on that. Also, you want to check your chimney, make sure it's good, and especially if you have a fireplace, a wood-burning fireplace, it's best that you hire a professional to come and clean that out. So if you do have a wood fireplace, stock up in your firewood, keep it in a dry place, make sure it is dry, and keep it away from your home. A lot of people have stacked it up close by the home, and that's not a good idea because there is a big fire hazard. Also, just check and inspect your siding for any sort of cracks. And also, you want to clean out your gutters. Either hire a person to come up and get it, or if you're able to get up and utilize the ladder again, take it easy when you're on that ladder. Next thing is check for water drainage. Make sure that your rainwater spouts are down and they're clear, and that all the water is running away from your foundation, walkways, and driveways. And if you have to add any extensions, if necessary, do so. Reinforce your windows and doors. If you've got an older home, take the screens out, put your storm windows in. That's a good time. Or just go around and check and caulk them and repair them if there's any leaks. The other thing a lot of people forget to do is turn off their faucets, and make sure you get in and turn off the faucets inside, make sure they're drained well. And any of those hoses, you're best to actually roll them up, make sure they're drained, and then put them in a dry place so that it doesn't freeze, especially if you've got those new steel hoses. Service sprinklers and irrigation systems, myself, I typically hire someone to come and blow them out, and as well turn off all your valves on that. The other thing a lot of people overlook, Rob, is inspecting trees. You want to make sure that all those trees are, if there's any cracked or anything that's over a power line or anything that's over your home, you should take heed and get those taken care of. As well, bring in your flower pots and that, empty them out, because not good to leave them out. They can crack. Leaf removal, that's just a no-brainer like we were saying. Best to clean those leaves, put them either in a compost or in your garbage. And fertilize your lawn. It's best to apply a fall fertilizer, not only for less winter kill, but also so that it comes back and combats those spring weeds. Put away your seasonal furniture. Again, take the cushions off, wash them, put them away, store them, or cover them. And another thing that's a great idea this time of year is organize your shed or your garage, whatever you may have, so that you can put your summer stuff way in the back and have all your winter stuff there available and ready to rock and roll.
He's got insurance tips and gardening tips. He's Greg Marcyniuk from Heritage Insurance in downtown Moose Jaw. We can find these tips and these reminders, which are good to have online.
That's correct. heritageinsurance.ca.
Greg Marcyniuk, Heritage Insurance on 800 CHAB's Ask the Expert.
This has been Ask the Expert on 800 CHAB.